If you want to stop the auto-renewal of your Twitter subscription, follow these simple steps to manage your account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into your Twitter account. Access your Twitter account by entering your username and password on the Twitter website or app. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon or the More option in the sidebar. Step 3. Access subscription settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section related to subscriptions or billing. This is where you can view your current subscription details. Step 4. Disable auto-renewal. Within the subscription settings, find the option for auto-renewal. Toggle the setting off or select the option to cancel auto-renewal to prevent future charges. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling auto-renewal, make sure to confirm your changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your auto-renewal has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Twitter subscription and prevent any unwanted charges in the future.